as Africans, we have the law of prayers, and I believe in the law. I'm a teacher by profession.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Eunice, and I'm a teacher.
East. The first thing
in lives. I always tell him that when I'm preaching in the pulpit,
everybody remembers Mwai Kibaki in a very forward manner. William Ruto, aka Kasongo, through reckless leadership, with a stroke of the pen, has destroyed the legacy of President Mwai Kibaki. And what is sad is that this money that was meant for free education has been diverted by the National Treasury, by the experts ODM brought to government. They have diverted money for education. The money is channeled through the security sectors, is withdrawn in cash and given to William Ruto. This money William Ruto uses to bribe leaders, church leaders, to bribe members of parliament, to bribe members of the county assembly, to bribe everybody in Kenya for political support. William Ruto has been very advisors, very educated, but they are all flower girls. They don't advise him on anything, they are just for show. I was his deputy, so I know. When I tell you, I know what happens. He has two advisors whom he takes advice from. Oscar Sudi, who is a standard 3 dropout. Farouk Kibet, who is a standard 6 dropout. So these two advisors have no value for education.